6. The configuration choice of your equipment. Installation casters for swivel casters have great flexibility, but it may be difficult to control continuous operation and the load cannot reach the ideal state. To swivel casters and to fix casters to brakes and to fix casters are the most popular and selected to configuration methods, good control and operability. 7th, load selection, the weight of your equipment plus the maximum load of other additional load divided by 3 so that you can find the load of the caster you need to choose and leave a safe margin. This makes it safe to use in the working environment and allows the floor surface to be slightly uneven. Divide it into light, medium, medium, heavy, heavy, super heavy. The caster load value we provide is based on flat ground testing. Any obstacles, dirt and uneven road surface will affect the load condition and the service life of the caster. 8th, the braking method. In order to ensure that your caster has enough rotation space, the rotation radius is also an additional consideration. In the configuration of casters, the brake is divided into single brake, total brake, side brake, central control brake, etc. According to different application needs. Single brake and side brake are common in light casters, and their brake firmness is limited. The most popular braking method is total brake, which is common in medium, heavy, and super heavy duty. The central control brake is used in a special field. Select the appropriate brake configuration according to the location space you need to install. In case of special ground conditions, please contact Maycasters. Our engineers will give the best use plan according to your application environment. The above are the more important points in the selection of casters. For more details on the selection of casters, see Part 3.